Ever wondered how Arbitrum is revolutionizing the world of blockchain? Today, we're diving deep into this fascinating topic. In the simplest terms, Arbitrum is a bridge that connects two worlds, the traditional Ethereum network and a new, faster, more efficient Layer 2. It's like a high-speed train, transporting Ethereum's potential into a realm of greater possibility and performance. Arbitrum operates as a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, a place where transactions are processed faster and cheaper. Think of it as an express lane on a busy highway, bypassing the traffic congestion of the main Ethereum network. But it's not just about speed and cost efficiency. It's about enhancing the Ethereum experience, making it more user-friendly, and unlocking new opportunities for developers and users alike. As we delve deeper into this exciting topic, be prepared to discover how Arbitrum is making waves in the crypto world. So how does Arbitrum work? It's simpler than you might think. Arbitrum is a scaling solution for Ethereum designed to increase the transaction throughput and reduce the cost of transactions. But how does it manage to do this? Well, the answer lies in its unique architecture that combines off-chain computation with on-chain storage. Let's break this down. In a typical blockchain, every transaction is processed by every node in the network. This is what makes blockchains secure, but it also limits their scalability. Now, Arbitrum takes a different approach. It moves the bulk of computation off the blockchain, thereby increasing the number of transactions that can be processed at once. This off-chain computation is done by what's known as validators. These validators run the computations and submit the results to the Ethereum blockchain. But here's the catch. Instead of submitting every single computation, validators only submit the proofs of these computations. This reduces the amount of data that needs to be stored on-chain, further increasing scalability. But what about security, you ask? Well, Arbitrum has that covered too. It uses a system of incentives and penalties to ensure that validators behave honestly. If a validator submits a false proof, other validators can challenge it. If the challenge is successful, the dishonest validator is penalized. And what about the cost of transactions? Here's where Arbitrum truly shines. By moving most of the computation off-chain, Arbitrum dramatically reduces the cost of transactions. This makes it more affordable for users to interact with decentralized applications on Ethereum. But that's not all. Arbitrum also supports interoperability with Ethereum. This means that any decentralized application built on Ethereum can easily be ported to Arbitrum without any code changes. This makes it an attractive option for developers looking to scale their applications without sacrificing security or decentralization. With its innovative approach, Arbitrum is truly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the blockchain space. You might be asking, why should I care about Arbitrum? Well, there are several compelling reasons. Firstly, Arbitrum is a game changer when it comes to scalability and cost issues that have long beleaguered the Ethereum network. Ethereum, with its smart contract functionality and its status as the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has been a key player in the crypto world. But its Achilles heel has always been its scalability. With the current proof of work consensus mechanism, Ethereum can only process about 15 transactions per second, a far cry from the thousands that payment processors like Visa can handle. This has led to congestion, slow transaction times, and sky-high fees, especially during peak usage times. Enter Arbitrum. By moving the bulk of transactions off the main Ethereum chain and onto its own Layer 2 solution, Arbitrum dramatically increases the transaction capacity of the Ethereum network. This means faster transaction times and significantly lower fees, making Ethereum a much more user-friendly platform for both developers and end users. But the importance of Arbitrum extends beyond just Ethereum. By solving these issues, Arbitrum can have a profound impact on the broader crypto market. It opens the door for greater adoption of blockchain technology as businesses and individuals who were previously deterred by slow speeds and high costs can now feasibly use Ethereum-based applications. Moreover, Arbitrum plays a pivotal role in the future of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi aims to use blockchain technology to recreate and improve upon traditional financial systems, but its growth has been somewhat hampered by the scalability issues of Ethereum. By alleviating these problems, Arbitrum can help propel DeFi to new heights, making it more accessible and practical for mainstream use. In conclusion, Arbitrum is not just another project in the vast crypto universe, it's a solution to some of the major challenges that have hindered the growth and adoption of blockchain technology. With its potential to transform the Ethereum network and the broader crypto industry, Arbitrum is a topic that any crypto enthusiast should be keenly interested in. Now, what does the future hold for Arbitrum? Let's gaze into the crystal ball. Arbitrum, with its promising technology, is poised to play a crucial role in the future of cryptocurrency. It's on the cutting edge, offering solutions to the scalability issues that have long plagued blockchain networks. But it's not without its challenges. As with any emerging technology, there are hurdles to overcome, including gaining widespread acceptance and navigating regulatory landscapes. Yet, the potential is palpable. Imagine a world where transactions are faster, cheaper, and more efficient than ever. That's the world Arbitrum is striving to create. It's a world where the power of blockchain is fully harnessed, where innovation isn't hindered by technical limitations. The road ahead may be filled with uncertainties, but one thing is sure. Arbitrum is not just another name in the crypto space, it's a game changer, a trendsetter. As we keep our eyes on the horizon, it's clear that Arbitrum is a name to watch in the world of crypto. So that's Arbitrum in a nutshell, a game changer in the Ethereum ecosystem and a hot topic in the crypto world. We've taken a deep dive into what Arbitrum is, how it operates, and just why it's causing such a stir. Its significance cannot be overstated. It's an innovative solution that's set to revolutionize the scalability issues that have been a thorn in the side of Ethereum users. We've also speculated about the potential of Arbitrum's future, and it's safe to say it's looking promising. The buzz around it is justified. This is not just another blip on the crypto radar. It's a powerful tool that's going to shape the way we interact with decentralized applications. So whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newbie in the space, Arbitrum is something to keep your eyes on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more exciting content about the world of crypto.